Dates now coming in with a bomb threat being issued to 40 plus Delhi schools. We've accessed more details from the probe. Top Delhi police have spoken to Times Now, and the officials say from the initial round of checks, there's nothing suspicious that has been found yet. Nothing suspicious has been found yet at any of these locations. That's the update our reporters were also bringing us. Shivani, as you were pointing out, the police officials have also said that the initial checks have been conducted, but nothing suspicious has been found.
It does create a lot of panic.
Well, definitely, it's been more than 2 hours of probe that the Delhi police is doing, and as you can see also that there is barricading that is being placed here. The police security is inside, whereas the private security has been asked to stay outside to inform the kids, the students and their parents to not come to school today. But here the prima facie says that there is nothing that is suspicious inside the school. It is mere a false threat that has been given, and the demand for $30,000 is something that is being told, that is given in the email to several schools. But IP address is something that the police is looking forward, because no such explosive, no such bombs or suspicious material has been found inside any of such schools, and henceforth an IP address is something that the Delhi police will be trying to locate to find out whether it is a serial offender, it is somebody who is new, or is somebody who's pranking with the system and the school system as well. These are the angles that the police are exploring at the moment of time. And similarly, they also say that none of the schools have seen any such suspicious activity being held in past as well. Only a threat has been received via email. Nothing has been found so far, but the investigation will continue, and the staff, those who are present at the moment of receiving threat in the school, their statements will also be recorded. Similarly, CCTV footages of all the schools will be scanned by the teams of Delhi police. But as of now, we can say that it is a threat call that Delhi police has taken seriously, but nothing suspicious has been found.
Okay, all right, Akanksha, you spoke to the parents who spoke about the panic that it triggered and how the schools also had to handle that situation. But any more details coming in of whether the police officials have been able to access where this email has come from? Any more details on that front?
Well, there's no update on that front right now, but police is looking into all angles, as my colleague was also telling you, all the angles, including because in the threat it has been mentioned that that particular person wants $30,000. But as I was telling you, Pratibha, I'm standing outside Mother Mary's school here in the national capital. This is in East Delhi area, and as you can see, there are CCTV cameras that police is also in fact analyzing right now to find out if anybody went inside and planted a bomb. But as you asked, as far as the threat is concerned, police is also in fact trying to track down where this email has come from. The email mentions that I planted multiple bombs inside the building. The bombs are small, hidden very well, and that is why police is there's a presence of police inside the schools, and they are in fact looking at all the areas to find if there's anything there. But what you're learning that till now nothing suspicious has been found by the police, and this appears to be a hoax bomb email as we can see. But in the last few months, Pratibha, we've been witnessing a lot of such hoax bomb threats given to the airlines, to hotels, and also to the schools. In May as well, we were standing right here reporting on the hoax bomb call that this along with many other schools in the national capital received that time, and the investigation revealed that the bomb calls were, all of them were in fact hoax. So that is why now the police is present inside, they're looking around. But what they told us as far as this school is concerned is that nothing suspicious has been found so far.
Okay, all right.